Hello and good morning. You are out here with FCA, that's Ferrari Club of America, Sacramento chapter. We are driving towards a cure supporting Parkinson's disease, and we are out here at Miners Leap Winery. Get ready, beautiful setting, beautiful cars.
What's up?
Hey, we're at Miners Leap Winery, and the miners have been doing what they do best, which is making wine since the 1920s, when their great-grandfather was a bootleg winemaker.
A bootleg winemaker?
That's right. As you can see, it's a beautiful setting. They hold events here, wine tastings, food, music. Come on out and have fun, just south of Sacramento. Right here we got a rosé Pinot Noir.
Yeah. The silver. It's like wine, but silver.
Gotta come check this out. All right, well, that concludes our time here at Miners Leap Winery. Good time, good wine tasting. Thanks for hosting. You got to check it out just south of Sac, right here.
My 12-year-old. He's like, are we taking the Lambo today, Dad? I'm like, yeah.
Oh, supercar kids. Yeah. So what are we making?
We're making spring rolls. Use some lettuce, and then I grab mint. Okay, and then just throw the stem away. And then some pak pale. I don't know what that is called in English, but cilantro. And then I do cabbage and carrots, and I get some onions. I mean, not onions, tomatoes. And then some noodles, and then chicken. So what I do, and I just roll like a burrito, but it's not a burrito. That's it. Yeah.
Well, here we are at Ferrari Auto Parts. We just finished a delicious barbecue, and we want to thank you for joining us. We started out at the winery. We took a little detour in the state capitol, and we want to remind you, what are we doing out here today? Driving for a cure for Parkinson's.
People had a lot of stuff to do, but some folks wouldn't miss this for the world, and we're so happy to have them here. Thanks so much for joining us again tonight.
All right.